Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for returning, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking this video. So this week I have these designer inspired nails, and I'm going to show you how I basically apply the nail decals. I think they're called water decals. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but yeah. So let's get started. To speed things up a little bit, I've already applied just a simple blue matte polish on the other nails, but you're going to need some water, the nail decals, and some foil glue. With the foil glue, you literally only need one single thin coat. If you apply too much of the foil glue, it's going to take longer to dry, and then when you try to stick on either nail foils, if you're doing nail foils, or these decals, they're going to slip off and they won't adhere properly. So one thin layer of foil glue is all you need, and then let that dry for, I would say, quite a while, definitely until it goes clear, but I like to leave mine maybe even up to 10-15 minutes. So here I'm just cutting up the nail decal stickers, and I'm going to soak these in the water for about 20 seconds. These are what the nails should look like once the foil glue is all dry. As you can see, it goes fully clear. And this is me just soaking the nail decal. And by the way, please excuse the little Sharpie mark on my finger. I was writing something down and somehow the Sharpie got on me. So now I'm taking a paper towel and I'm just going to dab off the excess water. And I'm also going to dab off the excess water on the actual nail decal when I slide it off. Because if I don't and it's wet and I apply it on the nail, it's going to slip off because, you know, the water and the glue, they don't really mesh. But yeah, so I'm just carefully laying the nail decal on the nail, and then I'm going to use my finger to gently press down all the air bubbles out. So once I've got most of the air bubbles out, I know that it can be hard. I'm still trying to perfect, you know, laying it down smoothly. But yeah, once I've laid that down, I'm going to take a nail file and just file off the edges so that I get rid of the excess nail decal that we don't really need. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing that we just did on the rest of the nails. So now those are all done. If you notice, there's a gap at the tip of the nail because the nail decals were too small. So to cover that up, I'm going to take my same blue polish and just outline the tips of the nail to, one, give it a cute design, but also, you know, to cover up the gap. Okay, so cure that for 60 seconds, and then we're going to apply our top coat. You can do matte or shine. I chose to go with a shine finish. When you're done applying your top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and that is it. This is how I apply my nail decals. If you know of a better, maybe more efficient way of doing it, then please do let me know. But this is the easiest way I've personally found how to do it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow my links below to my website and my Instagram. I will see you guys next week, hopefully. I know I've not been consistent, but I will try. Bye.